Ginger is one of the most highly valued spices in the world. Ginger grass is an herbaceous plant, which has long, elegant stems, the grass source of the essential oil, and is very fragrant, that is closely related to lemongrass. Gingergrass essential oil is extracted by steam distillation from the unpeeled or dried, ground-up root, rhizome, of the plant with a spicy and sweet aroma. It has been used for centuries to make Indian soaps for treating acne, wrinkles, scars and marks. Gingergrass oil contains analgesic, antiseptic, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, bactericidal, insect repellent, antidepressant, aphrodisiac, expectorant and tonic properties. Originated in India, China and Java but is also native to Africa and the West Indies, gingergrass has numerous health benefits. Adding 2 drops of gingergrass oil and steam inhalation can help in relieving blocked nasal passages, sinus congestion and headache. With its antiseptic, antifungal and bactericidal properties, gingergrass oil is effective in treating pimples, blackheads, boils, cuts, dermatitis, burns, ringworm, athlete's foot, wounds and other skin infections. As a part of a cream or lotion, gingergrass can be used for arthritis, muscle aches, rheumatism, and to help with poor circulation. A drop of gingergrass oil to a handkerchief can be inhaled and used for nausea, morning sickness, indigestion, colds and flu and travel sickness. Rub 1 drop in a counterclockwise position over the entire abdomen. You can also take a drop internally in a capsule or by other means to treat diarrhea. Gingergrass oil also stimulates the immune system, treats impotence, tonsillitis, and alcoholism and increases the appetite too. Add 1 drop to a glass of water and sip slowly to alleviate vomiting. Massage over the lower abdomen, or try adding a drop to water, meals, or even smoothies for daily support to cure gas within the body. Gingergrass oil relieves depression, mental stress, exhaustion, dizziness, restlessness and anxiety. To stimulate the circulatory system, use 23 drops of gingergrass oil and 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage into body. Gingergrass oil, although considered safe, a healthcare provider must be contacted before use.